Why? Because human beings are inherently, pattern recognition creatures. Now, uh, the reason for this goes back to prehistoric times where we were just hunter gatherers, and the way our brain developed to ensure our survival. Makes sense? So that is what is causing us to recognize patterns everywhere. We cannot change that. At least it's not very easy, or it takes a lot of effort to change that instinctive behavior of our brain, right? But uh, at least we are aware that yes, something like this happens. And if you are aware, it's almost always 50% of the battle that you have won by being aware of the problem. So what pattern I am talking about? Now you see a big down day followed by an attempt to go higher. Where did it happen? Here, 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 and here. What is happening in 1, 2, 3, and 4 instances or examples is that we come down, it is an inventory adjustment break, then strength comes in on the next day, and then we get a good follow through up. What is happening? This is happening for the last, almost like from December. Every time we get a sharp inventory adjustment break, we are getting buyers coming in and pushing the auction higher. One thing you should note is that every time we are doing that, we are creating a lot of overlap though. So it's not like buying came in and took the auction so far away from that consolidation that the next pullback could not even reach that and we continued higher. No, it's not like that. We are coming back again and again to those previous zones. Although this can be cognitive dissonance, as we have already discussed. Why I'm saying this again and again is because I don't want you to get trapped into either a bad long position or a bad short position. And in the process, if you miss a couple of trades, this is fine. This is completely fine. Why? Because let's say you get into a bad trade and you make a loss. A loss is twofold. One obviously is the money loss. The money can come back, but then you also lose confidence. And this is very difficult to get back. So if you have lost, say, 10K, it will come back. You will make 10K. Then your loss will be recovered. But the confidence that you have lost because of losing 10K is not going to come back after making the 10K back. So that is a big issue with our brain. So I want you to sometimes miss a few trades instead of getting trapped into wrong ones and then later regretting. Okay.